Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, I want to update this thing about Shato. Cause I get some new information and I have to keep this thing to the facts as much as I can. Now, Shato, really and truly, the youth has start make money when him they are jail. You understand? Him and the youth a link. Him and me I call the youth Kijana Hernandez. Them link when him go to jail. And when him go to jail, him and the youth link. And that's when them start make things happen. And you see him start build him house and them thing there. So, really and truly, like me say, Shato, him get pawned out by Sandman. When him reach a jail, him and the youth there, Mr. K, link up, and that's when them start give the gun for the weed and the whatnot. And I saw him make free money. As you can see, the youth him there jail, and he might build one of the biggest house in the neighborhood. Look upon him house, how big him house is. Like me say, him making money when he meet the youth at jail. At jail, he meet Mr. K, Hernandez. And from there, so them start make them money. One of the sad fact is that Mr. Hernandez, him never have a chance to spend none of him money. Cause him dead at prison. And when him dead at prison, at that, you see them fling where them 2 prison guard there. I think about 3 to 5 prison guard get fling where. Because them in a building 13, it called the Jackson building. And the guard them, the man said them a poison the inmate them, and them a oppress the inmate. And when Mr. K Hernandez dead, that's when the man them retaliate, yo, and dash them away. And I saw the thing said. So I just want to clarify certain things and give an update. My lord, Shato, he meet the youth at Mr. K prison, and I just saw them hook up and start make them money. Shato he make him money and build him house. The other youth him end up get sick and dead in a prison, and them say him get poison. And one more important thing, the youth here, him did have people that deal with things for him because he meet him girlfriend. Me I tell you when he meet him girlfriend. Yo, someone lucky, you know. Cause you see him gun link Pest, the youth on the left side. Him gun link come when he meet the girl at prison. And actually when him there at prison, him turn ghetto millionaire dog. But him never live for enjoy money. So yo, him girl where him have a prison he meet her, you know, in a 2014. And then him link Busway while him there at jail. And him and Shato link up. Yo, if this is not some kind of crazy story, you can't make this shit up. So that's the update on this scene. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. And all of the subscribers them big up. I'm out. I am looking for some artists from Trinidad and the other islands them So there is an open call for some artists to step up. Cause countryman, I want to produce some artists and produce some different music for Trinidad. You understand?